In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Venmo payment failed in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. This is going to be a detailed review, so watch the video till the end. So there are about 8 steps that you can follow in order to fix your problem. The first is going to be checking your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong internet or stable internet connection. If that is already the case, you might also need to go ahead and verify your payment method. Make sure that your bank account, debit card, or your credit card is valid, up to date, and also has sufficient funds. If it doesn't, then you might be facing this problem. You might also go ahead and need to check your Venmo server status by heading into this website right over here to just know if there are any outages anywhere. So the other way you can go ahead and solve this problem is going to be by confirming your account. So simply go ahead and make sure that your Venmo account is verified and in good standing, and if there are any account restrictions or notifications. If that is still not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and update the Venmo application. And finally, if none of it works, then you might want to restart your application or even check your limits for your payments. Or none of it works, then just contact Venmo support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.